Good day, dear students. See, in your history textbook of class 7th standard, as you know that you are learning about the history of medieval age. Some of the aspects of the medieval age you have been already known in the previous chapters of the history. Now, today, once again, in this video, I will like to give you a brief idea about the next chapter of the history textbook, that is titled as Tribes, Nomads and the Settled Communities. Dear students, as you know that the medieval age, which falls before the modern age, it has many changes into the society, which include social changes, economical changes, political changes. Thereby development also took place into this period. So, as we have studied about these changes in the previous chapters, like that various developments, social changes, economical changes and political changes, we will continue to look into another way, that is in the life of tribes, nomads and settled communities. So, as I told you, in this chapter we will learn about the tribes, nomads and the settled community. So, first the point which has been given, that is beyond the cities, the tribal society. Now, what is beyond the city? Dear students, actually the modern age started from the 20th century and you are living in ultra modern age. So, most of you are surrounded by machines, good means of transportation, different sources of knowledge. In fact, you have everything which has made your life luxurious. So, beyond these cities where we are living, there are the people who live. And beyond the cities, the people who live in the life of nature, in the forest areas, are become the tribals. So, this chapter is giving us a brief information about such of the people who are called as the tribals. So, their life is quite different than the life of us which we are living into the cities. So, this chapter will help us to understand that how is the life of this tribal people which is beyond the city. So, the people who are living beyond the city are termed as tribal people. Even we used to call them in new term, that is called Adivasis, जिसका मतलब है आदि means earlier, Vasi means residents. So they are the earlier residents of the forest. As we have studied in class 6 standard, that early human civilization started from forest. The human used to roam in the forest. That was been a part of study in Stone Age in the class 6 standard. So, some group of people did not migrated, did not shifted from this forest area to the urban areas or to the settled life, and these people are termed as a tribal people. So, beyond the city, there are the tribal societies, and this chapter is focusing on the life of such a tribal people. So, tribal people are also sometimes nomadic. So, let us see then some more fact about the tribal society or the tribal people in this chapter. So, next point is then beyond the city who lives, beyond the city tribal people lives. So, who are these tribal people then? So, this has been explained to us that these are the people who are living in the forest. Their life is different from the life of the people who are living in urban areas. And most important distinction of the tribal people and our society is that, as you all know that the Brahmins has given certain norms, certain rules, certain codes which we have to follow into the society. But for your kind information, dear student, the tribal people are the people who did not follow the norms, you can call rules also, you can say the code of the society also. So they have their own distinct lifestyle, tradition and culture. So these are become the tribal people. So these tribal people who did not follow the norms of society which has been laid down by Brahmins are a people who used to have earning from different sources, which includes some of the tribal people used to practice agriculture, but their agriculture also a different type of agriculture which is called as shifting cultivation. So their life is dependent upon agriculture. Some of the tribal people sustain their life by herding cattle. Some of the tribal people maintain their life and had their earning by hunting various kind of animal. At the same time, some of the tribal people collect the various goods which are the forest product from the forest, so the gatherers. So we can say then the tribal people's occupation is farming, that is shifting cultivation, herding, that is also called as nomadic, then hunting and gatherings. So these are the main occupations of the tribal people. So who are the tribal then? The tribal people are the people who live in the forest. They did not follow the norms, you can say social code laid down by Brahmins, and the people who are mainly depend on agriculture, herding, hunting and gatherings are become the tribal people. And most important thing, as they did not follow the norms of the society, they had their own tradition which add some difference into the society by their own culture, and because of that also we say that India is a diverse country. So they are the part of diverse culture of the India. Now which are the communities which are become the tribal then? So you can see here the map which is given on your page number 93, which is map number 1, which is titled as the location of some of the major Indian tribes. तो आप लोग देख सकते हो राइट फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ ऑफ द इंडिया, घग्रास, कोहरास, जुल्लास, लंगास. Then if you come to the west side, Kolis, Jatiwas. Then if you come to the central province, that is Madhya Pradesh, there are the tribes which are Gonds. Then you can see Baigas, Vetras, Marwas, Khasis, etc., etc., including in the northeast Ahoms. So please take a 30 seconds to just have a glance over the map given on the page number 93, which give you an idea about where are these different tribes live in India. I hope you have gone through the map. Now let us come to the points that what so far we have learned. Dear students, as we started the chapter number 7, it is titled as Tribes, Nomads and Settled Communities. This is a chapter in which we are going to learn about these tribes, nomads and the settled communities. So in the first part of the chapter, we have been explained that beyond the city, there are the people who live, and these people are called as the tribals. What are the tribes then and what are the tribals? So we have understand then second point, tribal. And recently we have discussed that in which part of the India this tribal people lives. We will continue with the same chapter in the next video. Thank you.